folks, is a thing of beauty. As a 30-year-old motorcycle that's been restored. Granted, I didn't paint the frame. I didn't think it was necessary. But overall, I redid a large majority of the engine and the electronics, and it is an absolute ripper. I told myself at some point in my life I wanted to restore something. I didn't care what it was. I wanted to restore something. Well, I chose this bike as my restoration process. As you can see, it came out fairly good. Most of you guys already know the history behind this bike. Maybe you're just jumping on. This is the Miguel de Hamel F3 1995 600 F3 Super Sport. These things were just incredible machines. They still are today. They're sought after. Everybody wants the CBR still today. So I decided to take this old girl that was on its way to a junkyard and restore it. And that's what we've done here. It is a beautiful machine now. Very sexy. As you can see, I still got to hide a few of the wires, but it's not what this is about today. This is about just taking this thing out and giving her first real rip since I changed everything, like an orange chain and the plastics and all that stuff, and make sure the honing and tuning of this engine is good. So outside of that, this bike should be ready to rip, tater chip. So I'm just waiting on turn signals to go right here. Other than that, this beast is ready for the road. As you guys can hear, still warming up a little bit. She is definitely a noisy bike. Sounds like it's a race bike for sure. I'm hoping that you guys can hear me over the bike while I'm riding. I bought a really good microphone this time, so just giving her a proper warm up. She seems like she's ready for a little down the road journey here at a slow speed to get us started. So let's get going here, man. Let's take her out for the first real rip. We're just gonna cruise it out of the neighborhood. Hold the clutch in a few times, unstick things. In gear we go. Alright, motorcycle, time to warm up, buddy. That guy just gave me the thumbs up. It was like, holy shit. I'm telling you, this bike sounds rowdy, man. Anybody that I'm passing, they're gonna be like, what the fuck? These 600s have a very distinct race bike noise to them. They're not like normal sport bikes. They have an interesting engine. They almost sound like they have some kind of supercharged whistle turbo on them. And that's the air induction system that's in the front of this. It's just pulling air in at such an extreme rate that it whistles. It's crazy. So it just gives these machines such a unique sound. Let me get all these mirrors lined up before we get too far down the road so they're actually usable. Oh my god. What a scary bike. Alright, straighten out a little bit here. Oh yeah. This thing sounds incredible. Nice. Am I gonna have to stop all the way? scary machine this thing is. Yeah, this thing is kind of on the wild side. Oh, let's go check out the flight location. What a radical machine this is, man. It really wanted to open up. It loved that. I'm telling you. It was happy to do that. Oh my God. Get over, have a good look at it real fast. See if I notice anything that shouldn't be. Remember, it's the first real ride this thing's had on the major part of the road, so seems to be doing all right. I don't really notice any engine noises or clutch sounds, so should be doing all right. Everything sounds normal. Yeah, dude. Yeah, Dad. Alright, let me grab a picture. This is a great picture opportunity. Alright, well, it is a hot day, so I'm gonna get back to it here. Just gonna take that quick ride back to the house here. Gonna sit on my shirt a little bit. My shirt snapped up on me while we were ripping down there. It's definitely quite the machine. Sounds good, runs good. It's a very happy machine. There's no doubt about it. I figured I would try to get some riding in before this weather really came in on me. And bear in mind, guys, my intention is not to beat this bike into the ground by driving it fast or hard all the time. This thing is a iconic machine. It's very rare. And it's a granny. It's not a new bike anymore. Man, does it sound awesome. Yes, sir. Dude, I think your bumper's falling off. What do you think? I think that's really unsafe for motorcycle riders. my God, what a fun ride, man. This thing is just on a different level of awesome. I can't wait to untap this bike on the road. I know I'm having a little bit of fun, guys. It's been like 5 months since I've had an opportunity to really get out on the road and have some fun. Please consider that I have not had a legal motorcycle on the road for over 5 months, and I've been riding now steady again for 3 years. So to not have a bike and then jump right on my favorite one right out the hole is like, yes, God is talking to me. A little bit of throttle therapy, man, right in my zone. Jesus, this bike has a lot of torque. Alright, well, it is running great. I don't think there's a reason for me to take it out anymore and chance anything and beat it up until she's absolutely ready for the road. I just wanted to do that fun video with you guys. Walk her into the garage here with the clutch. There we go. Seems like a happy bike to me. Running great. You can tell she's all warmed up now. You can tell she's a happy bike now. I think the fan just kicked on. Sounds great. What a machine. Well, there you go, guys. Ka-chow. First real rip on the beast. First real rip on the monster. I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys on the flip. Toodles.